I sell cold pressed oils on Amazon India. Every morning at 7 am, I am in the ads console. Bids, budgets, search terms, every single morning. So I built a machine. Python pulls yesterday's reports, analyzes everything, proposes changes, and sends them to my phone on Telegram. Nothing executes until I approve. Deterministic logic, Python decides, and AI only narrates. It has run on my brand for over a quarter now. Every change it made is in ledger, before, after, and verified. When it makes a mistake, the ledger is how I caught it. I even published the whole recipe into a book. It's called the 530M machine. Then other sellers started to ask about it. So I turned it into AdsPlane, a control plane for Amazon ads. Pull, analyze, manifest, approve, verify, and reconcile. Flat monthly price, never a percentage of your spend. It's not for everyone. The homepage literally tells you who shouldn't buy it. But if you run real ad volume and you are tired of Amazon Ads Console every morning, Shadow Mode is free. See what it could do to your account before it touches anything. Adsplane.com